Have you ever wondered why some pets instantly listen to their owners, while others completely ignore them? It's not about being strict, it's about communication. Today you'll learn how to train your pet to truly understand you, obey your commands, and become fiercely loyal. Rule number 1, trust comes before obedience. Animals don't follow fear, they follow safety and consistency. Whether it's a puppy or a kitten, spend the first few days just building a positive association with your voice and your hands. Reward good behavior immediately and never punish out of anger. Dogs and cats don't speak human words. They read your energy and body language. If you are anxious, they get anxious. If you are calm, firm, and clear, they will respect your space and look to you for direction. Consistency is your best tool. Training takes patience, but the reward is a pet that listens, understands, and stays loyal for life. What is your pet's name? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time.